Last year I've made a video on how to build a black-based winter wardrobe. Check it out if you are into wearing black a lot. But today I would like to show you a completely different winter wardrobe that consists of only light colors. Are you up for this experiment? Then let's start. First, let's cover the basics and choose the structure for this wardrobe. It will help us understand how many tops and bottoms we need to choose to create a specific amount of interchangeable outfits. For this, I usually use a Wonder Wardrobe Planner from the course that has these beautiful templates with all possible wardrobe sizes. So you just need to understand what kind of structure do you want, how many outfits do you want, and it will show you how many tops and bottoms you need to find. Yeah? Okay, so for today, let's see. Let's create, for example, 37 fully interchangeable outfits. For that, we need 7 tops, 5 bottoms, 2 dresses, and let's also add 2 pairs of shoes and a bag to complete the looks. As I said, I want to create a wardrobe that has only light colors, but I still want it to look wearable, yeah, interesting and super versatile. So I'm thinking today to use not only single colors for my color palette, but also different shades of the same color as well to add more texture to the looks. And for my color palette today, I will use also a template from the Wonder Wardrobe Planner. It also exists, of course, in a digital format where you can just edit color palette on your computer. But sometimes I get so tired of always looking at the screen that I prefer doing it this way. Yeah, and I also have these beautiful colorful squares that I use to fill in my color palettes. Yeah, and I have 2 boxes. I have one box with warm colors and another one with cold colors. And now I just need to decide which one to choose. Should we go with warm colors, with cold? Let's go with cold colors today. Okay, first I will decide what kind of single colors I would like to see in this wardrobe, and then I will choose different shades of those colors to complete my color palette. So here's how my final color palette looks like, and of course I might not be able to copy it 100%, but it will definitely help me to stay on track today. Okay, now when everything is clear, I can start the searching process. And when I look at this palette, one brand comes to mind, and that is Philippa K, because they always have this beautiful light and cold colors in their collection. So I think this is where I will start today. Here's the Wonder Wardrobe that I've just created. It includes 7 tops, 5 bottoms, 2 dresses, 2 pairs of shoes and a bag. And when I mix all these items together, I get 38 fully interchangeable outfits that are perfect for those that fit under a summer color type. This time I also tried to create looks with different silhouettes. Some outfits are more feminine and have an accentuated waistline. Some are elongated and more relaxed, where you can wear your top untucked. I would say that these silhouettes will suit best tall women with a rectangular body shape. Although I only used 5 colors in this wardrobe, the outfits don't look repetitive because I incorporated different shades of these colors. This is one trick that anyone who doesn't like to wear too many colors can apply to make their wardrobe look more versatile and still cohesive. Already at the end, I found this beautiful blazer that I think fit very well with outfits with pants and could be a perfect addition for this wardrobe. You can wear it under a coat or just like that when spring comes. As you can see, winter doesn't have to be all about dark clothes. And my hope is that this little experiment will help you to be more courageous with color in your wardrobe and find new ways of expressing your style in these dark, cold months. Before you go, I have some questions for you. How do you incorporate light colors and how do you match them in your wardrobe? Do you wear light outfits in winter as well? Let's discuss it in the comments and inspire each other. I hope you liked this video and found it interesting and useful, and if you did, don't forget to press like and share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.